Welcome to aehelp.com's IELTS test preparation videos. In this video, you will see an Italian candidate score a band 7.5 for his performance on the speaking interview. For lots more help with your academic IELTS exam preparations, visit and join our premium package for 6 original practice exams, over 100 hours of video lessons, and a fully interactive course at www.aehelp.com. Also, download our app, Academic IELTS Help, from your Google Play and Apple App Stores. Then, link the app with your website account to get a truly comprehensive, world-class IELTS online learning experience. Now watch and learn. Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. It has 3 parts, and I'm going to record this for marking purposes. I will give you instructions for each part. First, may I see your identification, please?
Yes, certainly. Here you are.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And what is your full name?
My given name is Roberto and my surname is Bianchi. Please call me just Roberto.
Okay, Roberto. Here is your identification back. For part 1, I will ask you a couple of questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Where do you live?
I live in a 2-bedroom apartment in downtown Turin, which is a city located in the northwestern region of Italy.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I have a couple of hobbies. I collect video games and enjoy skiing. Turin is a great place because it is in the Alps.
Let's talk about habits. What are some negative habits?
The first bad habits that come to mind are drinking alcohol and smoking cigarettes, as these are damaging to health.
Do you have any habits you want to change?
Well, I often play with my phone while I'm eating, and I'm starting to think this isn't very good for my digestion. So yes, I would like to reduce this behavior.
What are positive routine behaviors?
Definitely, there is exercise. That's why I like to get out to the gym at least 4 times a week. In fact, I was just there this morning for an hour workout. Also, paying attention to drinking a lot of water for stay hydrated.
Do you do any of these?
Yes, as I said, I do exercise regularly and I am an avid skier. As well, I do and try pay attention to drinking at least 2 liters of water each day.
Have people's habits changed in the last 10 years in your country?
Yes, I think some of them are changed, like spending times on the mobile phone, while others have stayed the same, like meeting up for chats in a coffee shop.
When is a good time to change a habit?
I think it's time to change a habit when a person feels it's no longer beneficial or enjoyable. If a person feels sick and tired of smoking, then they should quit.
Okay, that is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, here's a card. Please don't turn that over yet. Here is some note paper and a pencil. You will have 1 minute to look at the questions on this card. You can take notes in the 1 minute if you wish, and then you will have 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start, when to stop. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am.
Okay, go ahead, turn over the card, and your 1 minute preparation time begins now.
Roberto, your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking.
Okay. A very fortunate experience I had recently was just 2 weeks ago, where my friend and I went to have some drinks to celebrate a buddy's birthday.
To watch the rest of this speaking interview and to see a lesson which explains why this candidate gets a band 7.5 for his performance, join our premium package at www.aehelp.com. Also, download our app, Academic IELTS Help, from your Google Play and Apple App Stores. Then link your app to your web account for one truly amazing online learning IELTS experience. Begin your road to success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch more videos. Click right here. Or click our IELTS Hero for over 100 hours of complete video lessons and 6 original practice exams to help you pass IELTS.